Hey YouTube, welcome back to my wooden glass art channel. My name's Gary. For the past 9 months, I've been busy restoring the mudroom on the side of my 1920s home. Highlights of that project have been a complete strip down and restoration of the 3 large multi-pane windows, where I replaced at random a number of the panes with blue and green stained glass, just to add that pop of color. I designed and built a stained glass transom window. You can see that in my previous video. And the pendant light that I'll be showing you in this video. This is the final addition to my project, and it's the cherry on top, so to speak. This pendant light is a bit more advanced as it takes in a number of disciplines. Basic knowledge of trigonometry, building a 3D object with glass, sheet metal cutting and bending, as well as hinge and latch creation. The reason for the trigonometry was to calculate the triangle dimensions for both the top and bottom pyramid shapes, based on my 2-dimensional drawings. To create the templates for each pyramid shape, I used the Pythagorean theorem to find the lateral edge length, that being the vertical edges of the pyramid. The glass design is made up of diamond bevels, clear wavy glass on the outside edge, iridescent green and pink glass that produces some very interesting shadows, and bubbly blue glass. And to connect it all together, I used the copper foil technique. The top lid was cut out of a piece of leftover ventilation tin sheet I had kicking around. But this material can be purchased at most home building stores. Once cut and folded, I used rivets to hold it together at the seam, as well as they're a decorative feature, and they give the light the old era look. I really think my high school shop teacher, Mr. Worth, would B+, happy with the result. With respect to the hinge and the latch, you can see how I built them, but I don't spend a lot of time on them, as one can find lots of examples on other YouTube channels with focused explanations. But hey, maybe one day I'll drop my own video on this topic. Lastly, when I design and build 3D objects like this pendant light, what I like to do first is create a full-scale mock-up in cardboard. I find this has a few advantages. First, using cardboard is cheap and fast to build with. It allows me to see the scale of the object in space where it'll be installed. And if I find it's too big, too small, or just doesn't look right, the design is easily modified. I hope you'll enjoy watching the build process. And if you like the video, you know what to do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, that's enough blathering on for now. I'm gonna go break some glass.